Father's Day na nga pala sa Sunday. Ano kayang magandang gift kay Daddy? Alam ko na, dahil favorite ni Daddy ang cake, bibilang ko na lang siya ng red ribbon cake. Busy mom like me, mas pinadali at mas convenient na umorder ng red ribbon cakes. Simply go to their website, order.redribbon.ph. Click order now and choose pickup. Select preferred red ribbon store, date and time of pickup. Choose the red ribbon cake you want to order, then check out. Sakto at may pick-up promo si Red Ribbon na 75 pesos off. Hassle-free at mas convenient pa umorder. No need na pumila, mabilis and no delivery charges pa.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Stress-free at mas masaya talaga mag-celebrate ng occasion kasama ang Red Ribbon Cake. Kaya gawin ng mas special ang Father's Day celebration with Red Ribbon. Happy Father's Day!